Hello everyone, welcome to Tech and Travel. This is Sanal Afridi with another tech video. Today I'm gonna be unboxing a tablet. It's a cheap tablet, comes around 150 to $180. I bought about in because I live in Norway, so I bought about 1900 Norwegian crowns. And let's just see what tablet it is, what is inside the box, and maybe some features of the tablet. So yes, this is the Samsung Galaxy Tab A 10.1. They have some few series in Tab A. One is expensive than the other. I think it's three kinds of. This is the cheapest one in the Tab A series. This one is 32 GB memory, 64-bit octa-core processor, 255.4 millimeter or 10.1 inch is the resolution. It has 2 GB RAM inside, not very good these days. Mostly that comes at 4, even for phone a bit stronger than that now. But because this is a budget, so I would say it's okay. It has two cameras, front and rear. The front one is 5 megapixel and with no autofocus, and the back one, the rear one, has 8 megapixel with autofocus. It also has 6150 milliampere battery. That's a normal size of battery with the tablets, and it has a Dolby Atmos sound effect. I think it has two speakers. I think so. Let's just open the box and just see what's inside the box. Let me get my cutter. So upside down we have these two. This one. That's the other one. That's down. Now it's upside down. Gently open the box. Okay, that's the top. That looks very nice actually. So just hold this. You can see there's a clip of that. So hold this. Carefully take out the tablet. That's the tablet. What's else inside the box is, the charging cable, charging adapter, a pin for there's a pin as well. This is I think used for the micro SD card because it supports the up to 400 GB of micro SD card. And inside maybe some manuals. Yes, there's some manuals also. I don't need this. That's the rest of the box is nothing but just a box. So there's nothing inside. Empty box rest. So yeah, so the cable, the adapter, and now let's just open the main thing. So I'm not sure how to. Okay, it's from the back. As you can see on the back, just hold this and just there you go. So it's like a pouch. It's like inside a pouch. So just take out from the pouch. I actually like this. Might be very handy. Anyway, that's the tablet. Very big screen, I guess, especially if you're watching something in cinematic mood. I think it's very good. Yeah, so that's the tablet. Let's just so you have a volume button here. I think that's the volume. That's the power button, and you have this micro SD card. Yes, maybe I can just give it a try. Let's see what's. I think it's only the micro. It's just the micro SD card slot, I guess. Nothing else. Yeah, so that's the micro SD card. I'm not sure what's that. So it has a micro SD card, and yeah, so I think this just has only the micro SD card. So just put this back. Maybe just switch it on. Let's see. So yeah, that's the first time I'm switching this on. See how long it takes. The Samsung. Yeah, okay. Now I have logged in with ID and everything. So let's just see how good this is. So just push the power button. So these are the menus. Of course, I have these updates and it just downloaded the software. So let's just take some pictures. I have this mouse. Let's just take some pictures and let's see how the camera works. So if because it says it has autofocus. Yeah, okay, let's just take one from here because the light is there. So now I have autofocus. Maybe I get something else, like something a bit not very wide. Yeah. The autofocus is working very good. See. Where is the camera? Okay, the camera is here. Maybe not. Yeah. So it's very good actually, the autofocus. I don't know why they want my information anyway. So the camera, let's see how the selfie camera is or the front camera. Let's just open, where is the front camera? How do I switch to front camera? Yeah. Oh, it's actually very good. Not bad actually. It's all my setup. Yeah, it's very impressive actually. See, front camera is very good. Yeah, photos, gallery. Yeah, so that's everything about the phone. It has all the Google apps, YouTube. Oh, let's just check YouTube and let's just see how the sound is. That's something I think very important to check. So I'm gonna be in YouTube and let's just go to my channel. Let me just, that's my unboxing. Unboxing the latest phone from Huawei. I just received the box today. I ordered it and I got this yesterday. Today is 4th of March. I thought let's just check with something else. Maybe it was really video has not very good quality. So maybe let's just check some music. Yeah, not very impressive to be honest with the music. Let's try one more, I guess. Yeah, not bad. Good music. Yeah, the sound is good actually. It has these two Dolby speakers on the back, as you can see here. So yeah, what's the video quality? Let me just see the full screen.
Protocol to escort His Excellency.
Tengo el gran placer de dar la bienvenida al señor primer ministro de la República Islámica de Pakistán, a quien invito a dirigirse a la Asamblea General.
Our prophet was the witness to the divine book, the Holy Quran. The Holy Quran is the book of guidance for Muslims, and the prophet's life was living the Quran. He was an example of what the Quran guided us to be. So,
let's have an HD video, 4K resolution. Yeah, not bad. So, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.